In this video, we will show you how to set up a schedule for a one-time event. Super SAS offers 3 different types of schedules: a resource schedule for one-on-one appointments, a capacity schedule for group lessons or events, and a service schedule for services that use multiple resources such as a room and a person. In this example, we will use the capacity schedule. If you haven't done so yet, create a Super SAS account and log in to get started. Then, on your dashboard, click New Schedule. To allow people to participate in your workshop, choose the capacity schedule. Click Next Step. Select No Login Necessary to make it easy to join the workshop for anyone that knows the web address, and click Next Step. Now, choose a name for your schedule. We use Cupcake Workshop. You can change this later. However, because this name will be part of the web address, it's important not to change it after you share the link with others. Click Next Step again. This final step allows you to choose how many times a slot can be booked. In this example, we allow a maximum of 10 people to join the workshop. You can set a different number for each class later on. Let's say the workshop is 2 hours long. There are a couple of other options you can choose from. For example, you can offer a waiting list. This will enable users to fill a spot in a class if there is a cancellation. Under the calendar option, you can select the sign-up sheet option for a single event. That way, the schedule will get a different layout that makes it easier for users to make a reservation. You can add a price field too. Click Finish to create the schedule. Congratulations! You've just set up your first basic schedule. Click Use to view the schedule you've created. The schedule will look empty because we still have to create the slot for the one-time event. Click Create New Slot to add a slot to the schedule. First, fill in a title for the workshop. Then you can adjust the date and time. To change the time, update the numbers that are there for the slot. Enter the price for the workshop. Optionally, add a description for the workshop. There is a repeat option available if you want the system to automatically repeat the slot on another day. Here you can also change the number of people that can book this workshop, and you can change the color of the class on the schedule. Click Create Slot to save, and you will see the available slot displayed on your schedule. You and your users can create a reservation by clicking Create New Reservation. Once a reservation is created, you will see it conveniently displayed beneath the event. Once the class has reached capacity, it will be reflected by the participants' count box changing color. From that moment on, all new entries will be put on the waiting list. This name will be displayed on the list with a W icon in front. As an administrator, you then have the option to place someone for the workshop. Users who sign up for the waiting list can automatically get a place if someone else cancels. They will receive an email notification when that happens if email confirmations are enabled. By clicking Configure in the upper right corner, you'll find many more options you can add to the booking process, such as which messages are sent or whether payment is required up front. You can copy your personal link as highlighted here and paste it in a different web browser. That way you will be able to see the schedule as your users see it. If you would like to integrate your schedule into your own website, navigate to the dashboard. Select Integrations in the menu and then choose Booking Widget. Now select your schedule from the drop-down menu. Then choose between integrating a button that opens a pop-up widget and a frame that is integrated into your website. We choose the option to integrate the schedule. You can now select a widget type that is best suited for your type of schedule. After selecting the widget type, follow the instructions on the page to integrate the schedule on your website. You now have a basic understanding of how to create a schedule to allow customers to book workshops with your business. Explore more advanced features to make your schedule work exactly the way you want.